Hi guys, in today's video we will know that how you can code and program with ChatGPT bot. So for example, I want to search for creating a whole website, and I want to create solve a problem, and all of these coding and problem how you can code and program with ChatGPT will be in this short tutorial. So for example, you can see here, I have searched for create a sports related website with HTML, CSS, JavaScript with images. So I will search for that for a better example. Here you can see here. So it will generate a source code for us as well. So here you can see here, it gives us the full details that what you can use as well. Here you can see here all of the text is about that how you can create. So we should wait, and that is a text. I should update this with the code. They should give me a source code. So here you can see here, I want an update to give me a source code. So I will search for this and send it right now. Here you can see here, that is a code. You can see here, this bot can give and create a website for you. It's here. So you can see here, I have been creating a CSS style sheet, all of these. So you can copy the code as well. Here you can see her copy. So another thing that you can do is you can program with this ChatGPT. For example, I want to create a calculator app in Java. So I want the source code as well. So you can see here, I want to search for this and I want to send that. And here you can see here, here is an example of simple calculator app in Java. So here you can see here, you can learn a lots of things from this ChatGPT. Here you can see here, I have been generating. Here is a full result. Here you can see here, this I think this should do. It's a simple one. I think it will do adding, subtracting, and multiplication. Here you can see here, these are the operations. They will go for 4 operation because this is a simple one. Here you can see here, this is the entire Java calculator app code. So you can copy the code as well. Here you can see here, copy the code, this button. So this is a copy code button. You can copy the code as well. So this is the programming, and to give you an idea, I will give you another example. So now I want to try a new thing. I want to clone the Microsoft website homepage in HTML, CSS, JavaScript with image and source code. So I will do that. Here I can see that how I can clone the Microsoft website. So here you can see here, it gives us code of that, and that is a full entire code. Here you can see navigation links, go here, and you can literally edit this as well. It can really help you in your projects. So then the CSS code. Here you can see here the padding, the background color, padding, display, justify text. All of this styling here you can see here, and have been adding right now as well. Finally, you can use JavaScript to add interactivity to our web page. Here you can see here document.cure selected, nav menu, constant link, nav links. Here is the logic of our website. Here you can see here, this is what the ChatGPT can do, and I think this won't give us a full clone of it, but it can really help you as well, and you can copy every kind of code from this. So enough in this video. Bye till the next video.